Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing this particular earbud, which is from BASEUS. I think the name is called BASEUS. This one. Alright, it's called the NW01 True Wireless Earphones. This one I actually got it from, I think from SHOPEE or is it from LAZADA? I'm not very sure. I'll double check and then I'll put the link in the description below. Some basic information here. Alright, so it's called the BASEUS WM01 True Wireless Earphones. Code name is WM01. Material is ABS. It uses Bluetooth version 5.0. Communication distance is up to 10 meters. Music time 5 hours at 70% volume. Okay, so that means to say if for me, which I always use it at 30%, I should probably get longer. Right, music listening duration with charging box, the charging case is up to 25. Battery capacity is 40 ampere for earphones and 300 milliamp for charging box. Right, so let's get into it. So this is the actual product itself. So this is the product itself. Let's open it up. The logo is slightly reflective. Alright, shiny. The rest of the casing is matte. Alright, with a darker tone of the green, pastel green along the rim here. Right. So there's a LED light here, and then there's a USB-C charging port at the back. So I have a cable with me here. It's a USB-C cable. Alright, let's plug it in. See what happens. Okay. So you can see here there's a white LED light. Okay. I mean, on the camera it seems to be the same color lighting as the casing, but over here it seems to be white color. Alright. Let's take a look at the inside. Okay. So over here there are magnets. Okay. And then it comes pre-equipped with the earbuds here. Alright, this is the left one. This is the right one. Let's remove the sticker. Okay, and let's see what happens when we put it back into the charging case. So the magnets align with this. Magnets align with this. So when you put it back, and let me just show you again. Alright, take it out. Okay. See, it's flashing white. It means it's actually in pairing mode. See here? Yep, so when I put it back into the charging case, yep, red LED light would actually pop up. Right, so let's see what else is in the user manual on the English side. Okay. Right, so the dots you see here, these are the microphone, and then this area here, this is the touch area. Alright, for all the controls. So I'm going to charge the casing for a while, and then we'll come back again just to test the phone. Alright, so I actually found the BASEUS app, whereby it's actually in the App Store. Right, gonna open up notification. Okay, so logged in, so I can actually register an account. Complete register. Right. So it needs me to verify my email. I'm going back. Okay. So I'm logged in. There's a notification here. Nothing. BASEUS Lion avatar. Okay. Not gonna do anything. Add my devices. So as far as I know, the BASEUS app, it only supports the Air Nora, the Bowie E80, and the Encore W12. So it actually doesn't support the WM01. Okay, let's look at the other one. Anti-loss. It supports anti-loss T1, T2, and T3. Right, so that means that this app is useless. So I'm actually going to just go ahead and uninstall it because this app is not going to recognize my WM01. Alright, so I'm still going to leave it to charge for a couple minutes and then I'll come back to test the functionality. Alright, catch you all later. Alright guys, so we have charged the BASEUS MW01 wireless earphones for a couple minutes. It has some juice inside it. So let's pair it. Alright, so you see here the BASEUS Encore. So we'll tap on it. Alright, it's already connected. So it's actually currently in use. So let's go into Spotify. Let's play. Okay. It's playing now. Sounds good. Let's see the volume. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now it's playing at max volume. Okay. Sounds good. Let's test the basic functionality. Double tap. Okay, so now it's paused. I'll play it again. Okay, on the right earbud. Let's go to the next song, which is long press for 2 seconds on the right earbud. Alright, let's try long press on the left for previous song. Right, so I'm going to try the assistance, which is double tap on the left ear. Okay, it doesn't really work. Okay, let's get out, and then we're going to try.
A few moments later.
Nothing. So the pause and play and the previous track, the next song, it actually works. But from my initial impression, it feels that it takes some time for the touch area to actually register the touch. It's not really very sensitive yet. Okay, so as you can see here. Okay, so I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna play again. And I just realized one thing is that after you actually registered the touch, let's say for play and pause, right? Like right now, I'm going to play it once again. There's a momentary lag of like half a second, right? And now I'm going to pause again. Yeah, that confirmed. That's a like right now. Just now earlier on when I paused the music, after I actually registered the pause, the music will continue to play for a half a second. Do take note is that there will be a momentary lag, alright, between the input and the actual action being executed from the earbuds to the phone, alright. So there you have it. This has actually been my unboxing of the BASEUS. Alright, the BASEUS MW01 True Wireless Headphones. I'll actually be testing this headphone for the next couple of days to see how is the performance. Alright, till then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.